Hey guys, this is Alan, and in this video, I would like to introduce the popular and the common tools that can be used to do the supplier background research. So after you have a good command of these two, I think it will benefit your business a lot. Okay, here we got several tools. Okay, the first five tools are charged, so I don't recommend the sixth one. This one, okay, and it's operated by the government, but the information on it is not able to be updated in time. So many useful and important information cannot be found. Also, its user interface is not friendly. Sometimes it's very hard to load the page. And considering everything, I would recommend and I would suggest this one, the last one. So the last one, its name is Risk Bird. So because once you sign up, and you will get a 5 years VIP membership, which means and the most of the function on it are open to you, and you can check out the company's information freely. Although its function is limited, but I think it's enough for you to verify the supplier and to filter the supplier. Okay, so let's dive into it, and I will walk you through how to use it and what kind of information we should focus on, and with the information and what kind of things we can conclude from it. Okay, see you in next section. Hey guys, so this is the Riskber homepage, and it's all Chinese, but I think it's very easy to translate it into English. Like for me, I can just click here and translate, and it will become English word. But now it's too early to translate. Okay, here I would like to give you the example and how to search. And okay, let me copy this. This is a Chinese mainland company name. I just put it here. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the company. And so this is the first section. And from the first section, we can tell. And this is uh, the business owner's name. But now I can't translate right now. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Okay, now it's all Chinese. It's all English, so it's easy for you to understand. And so this is the P name, and also we can tell how many companies under his name. And also this is the company's code. It doesn't matter. It's not important information. This part, okay. This is the phone number, and also we can see other phone numbers, and sometimes um this is only one is the real one, and for the others maybe it's the financial company, okay, company's contact phone, and this is the email address, but sometimes it's the QQ email, and usually this one, the first one, is the real one. So when you verify the phone number or email number, and you can find the direct uh, direct boss. If you want to talk to the manufacturer boss directly, and you can use this phone number or this email address to verify. Okay, and also sometimes the supplier will list it their website. Sometimes if they have it, and usually it comes with the website, but obviously this company doesn't have a website. Okay, and this is address. Okay, this is address, and this is the introduction. So we are not going to explain it too much here, and we will discuss it later. And let's scroll down. Okay, for this section, okay, we can tell the name, the actual controller. Okay, it's this women. Okay, a natural person and 100%. So only this woman control this company, and also he's the beneficial owner. Okay, so this is the information we should take, and let's scroll down again. Okay, from here, actually, yeah, this is repeated. This is repeated information. Okay, and so we have to look at here. We can start from here. Okay, business status. Actually, it's a wrong translation. Okay, it's a wrong translation. Actually, this status should be active. Should be active, but sometimes the web doesn't translate so well. Okay, and also we need to next we check out the building time. Okay, when the company set up. It's since 2015, and it's almost 10 years. Okay, it's a quite long company. Okay, and the registered capital. Sometimes this information is not important because you can put any amount in this section. So this really doesn't matter. And also paid in capital and the number of insured people. Actually, I need to analyze two. Okay, the first one is this part, and also this part. But from here we can tell, okay, the insured people is 0, so it's really strange. So when we see 0, we can conclude two information. One is the company doesn't have any employee, so they didn't pay the insurance to for their employee. And but the other situation is they have employee, but they are not willing to take responsibility for their employee. And actually, if you are not if a company doesn't pay the insurance to the employee, is illegal. But in China, most of companies are doing this. So all employee think, okay, if the company doesn't pay for the insurance for me, it's okay, and it's normal. Actually, it's not normal, and it's illegal. But if the employee doesn't report this to the government will now punish the company. So this is very very common, but I wanted to comment too much. Okay, and so after we check out this information, we also need to check out here. So this is very important information, and we need to understand how long the company already existed. But this one, they already very long time, almost 10 years. So when you are trying to work with a company, you should be you should check out this and how long this company already existed. If the company just exists like 2 or 3 years, I think it's very very dangerous, because their ability is not tested and verified by the market. So the chances is very big, and the company will shut down immediately because of the poor cooperation and then the poor management. So it's very dangerous, and we need to focus on it seriously. Okay, and think about it very seriously. Okay, let's check out other parts. And the organized code doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. All of this, it doesn't matter. Okay, and what else? Okay, okay, region. Okay, this information. Sometimes you can just for your reference, like it's a Henan province. As I know, the industrial is not much. So if they say, okay, I'm the bag supplier, oh, it's not real because this province doesn't produce the bags. Okay, so when you charge this, you have to be very familiar with the China's market, and which province produce which products. So you can charge, okay, if you are speaking with the correct manufacturer. And also industry, I think this one is really important, really important. So like this one, okay, or this okay, wholesale, retail, okay. So after we read this, and we can conclude, okay, it's definitely it's a middleman, it's a trader. Definitely, it's not a manufacturer. So if you know this platform and you check out and you find, okay, it's a wholesaler. But if they tell you, okay, I'm a manufacturer, and you can just do a quick background research, and you can tell they are telling the lie. Okay, they didn't tell you the truth. Okay. So later I will show you another the manufacturer and what industry they put. Okay. And also we can see uh the registration at registration here, sorry, register address. Okay. So from this address I can tell, okay, because I'm in China, so I know what the address belong to. So this address is not commercial, it's a residential, it's a residential address. So uh this means okay, so this is very, very I think maybe a little bit funny, because some guys just use the residential address to register the company. But in China, so in some place the government allow them to do this, but in some place it's forbidden, because the resident address is forbidden to use for commercial usage. So which means you are not able to register a company using this address. Okay. And also from this residential address, what kind of what kind of things we can conclude? Okay, we can conclude definitely it's a small company. Why? Because the Chinese residential house is around, I mean, the size is around 90 square meter to 150 square meter. So it's not a very big house. So which means this address, this house only can like hold like 5 to 20 people. So it's still small company. So if they are telling you, okay, I'm very big and I have 100 employee, blah blah blah. Okay, you can tell, okay, they are not telling the truth. Okay, because from their register address, and they are not telling you the truth. Okay. So okay, this part is not important. Okay, let's scroll down again. And for this part, I think okay, you can just have a quick look here, but and understand their business. But I think this is something similar, because this part is explaining this part, because they are doing the wholesale business, and here they are explaining what kind of wholesale business they are doing. Okay, so just have a quick look here. Okay. And what else? Okay, let's scroll down. And for the others, this for the rest is not so important. And then so next I'm going to tell you something that's really important. Okay. Let's scroll up. Okay, here, legal proceedings. So this is the most important things. Okay, to understand the exactly situation. Okay, one case. Okay, during the case, plaintiff. Okay, plaintiff, and also who is the defendants? Okay, this is defendants. This company is a defendants. Okay, and uh, okay, we can click here to understand the situation. Okay, what happening? Okay, I just give you several seconds to read this. Okay, I think you already read it. So let me explain. Because from the description here, I can tell this company is this company's supplier, and this company paid this company, but this company doesn't send out the production, doesn't send out the products to the buyer. This sixth row is the buyer, and this is a supplier. But this guy was doing the evil things. They didn't provide the products after they receive the payment. So it's very evil. So six rows just get Lin Yang Wood, get them sued. Okay. And how much money? Okay, here it's 86,000 yuan. Okay, more than 10k. Okay, wow, it's a lot. So for now we can understand the the what happened here, and also with this case, and we can also check this company, because we noticed this company, okay, was doing something bad. If we encounter this company, and we may we may face the bad things as well. Okay, let's click here. Okay, so this is just like what we said. Okay, this is the manufacturer's phone number. Okay, and the address. Also, this guy was using a very residential. Okay, let me translate it into English. Okay, so actually, according to my experience, this address is a residential. Okay, not commercial. Let's scroll down. Okay, this company, they have two individuals. Okay, this guy is sharing 66%. Okay, and also I want to show you. Oh yes, here industry. Okay, industry. Okay, and manufacturing, wood processing, bamboo. Okay. So yeah, this company is bad, but this company is a manufacturer. Okay, and also okay, their registered address is a residential address. So it's not a big one. It's not a big company. And also okay, legal proceedings. Let's check out. Okay. Okay. Here what we find. Let's check out. There are two case, opening case. Okay, dispute, defendant. So in both case, they are the defendants. So okay. Okay, defendants. Oh, so we can conclude. Okay, this company is very evil. They are trying to cheat the money, scam the money from the buyer. Okay, so if you already know these two, and you can verify their background, if you find out, okay, there are a lot of proceedings. Okay, you should be very careful. Okay. Okay, but maybe you will curious. Okay, Alan, how can I get the company's name? Okay, actually you can ask them directly. It just, okay, I need to your registration, company registration certification. Please send it to me. Usually the supplier will send it to you, and with the because for the most of suppliers in China, they will not expect you can use something like this. They don't have they will think, okay, you don't have the ability to use this and to check out this, also to understand everything, understand all the information. They didn't notice you will succeed. So but after you watch my video, and you can understand, okay, the basic things, and make a judgment. Definitely this company, Lingyang Wood Industry Company Limited, is an evil one. Okay, because in both cases they are defendants. What this are trying to explain, they are evil. They are trying to cheat the money from the buyer. Okay, so if you found this, you found this company on Alibaba or other Google's website, and just just leave them. It's an evil one. And if you pay them, okay, your money will disappear forever. Okay, very awful. So after talking this, I think it's all. because there are other things, and also you can check out other parts, but it's limited. I just register and I'm the membership, but it's still not 100 open to me, and the function is limited, but it's enough for me. And if you wanted to verify any company, you can just use these two to verify, or you don't want to do it. If you don't want to do it, okay, just send the company name to me, and it's very easy for me to verify and to analyze everything. And okay, I hope my knowledge can help you to filter the company. Okay, good luck. See you soon. Bye bye.